I spent over 65 hours testing ActiveCampaign, MailerLite, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this ActiveCampaign versus MailerLite comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are user-friendly but target different audiences. ActiveCampaign is pretty easy to use for such a featured-packed tool. The design is clean with helpful features like demo data and personal onboarding service. Their live chat button is available on every page. However, with so many features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the platform can feel laggy sometimes when loading big sections like automation workflows. MailerLite's platform is super easy to use, the layout makes sense, and the interface is clean. And whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. They give you a simple 3-step checklist to get started, and there's a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform. Both platforms offer solid editors with different approaches. ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor works really well and feels user-friendly. You can save custom blocks to reuse and even see revisions and changes that others have made. It's possible to build a separate version of your email for mobile and hide content when viewed on mobile devices. One handy feature is adding actions like adding tags when contacts click on elements. MailerLite's drag and drop email editor works really well and feels more user-friendly. After testing 9 different platforms, MailerLite would be one of my favorites. The design looks clean and it's super easy to make changes. You can save content blocks and use them again later as well. You can also set up colors and style that will automatically apply to all your emails, which saves you so much time. ActiveCampaign has the edge in template sophistication. ActiveCampaign has over 250 modern-looking email templates. You can upload your own HTML template and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. It's also possible to save content blocks and reuse them across all your future emails. A cool feature is their AI-powered brand kit, where they automatically pull information from your website to generate on-brand email templates. MailerLite has over 100 modern-looking email templates, but here's the catch. They're only available on paid plans. Most email services don't do this. If you're using the free plan, you'll have to start from scratch and build your own emails yourself. This is where MailerLite absolutely shines. ActiveCampaign's landing page editor provides a good selection of modern-looking templates, which can be hosted on your own custom domain. On the professional plan and up, you can create personalized web experiences. However, the form builder is super basic with no templates. MailerLite really stands out here. You can host your landing pages through MailerLite or on your own website. You can even create an entire website with their website builder here. Very few email marketing companies offer this feature. The design process works exactly like creating emails, so it feels natural and easy. The form builder is just as good with different types of forms like pop-ups and embedded forms. The templates look professional and you can customize them easily. And the best part, you can A/B test your forms to see which one works better. MailerLite wins ease of use with a more intuitive interface and superior landing page capabilities. While ActiveCampaign offers more template and AI-powered branding, MailerLite's smoother editor, simpler setup process, and an exceptional landing page and website building tools make it much more user-friendly. MailerLite's global style controls and accessible help system create a better overall experience for users of all skills levels. Features. Both platforms handle segmentation well, but at different complexity levels. ActiveCampaign offers really good segmentation, letting you combine a wide range of filters like website visits, email engagement, and purchases. You can add tags to organize your contacts better without any restrictions. MailerLite makes importing straightforward with CSV files or direct imports from other platforms. Unlike many competitors, subscribers can be on multiple lists without counting against your limit, which is really nice. You can assign tags automatically through forms and workflows. There's also a special section to find and remove inactive contacts, making list cleanup simple. This is where ActiveCampaign shows its enterprise-level superiority. ActiveCampaign really stands out here. Their flowchart-style marketing automation is unbeatable and extremely powerful, allowing you to automate follow-up campaigns, calculate lead scores, trigger abandoned carts, and so much more. There are over 100 triggers and actions and tons of pre-made templates to choose from. However, automations are very limited on their cheapest starter plan. MailerLite offers 15 automation templates and a visual workflow editor to help you set up automated campaigns easily. You can create workflows based on form completion, being added to a group, or clicking links. You can even A/B test different subject lines within your automated sequence. However, it's missing advanced features like lead scoring and website tracking that enterprise tools offer. ActiveCampaign has the clear advantage in integration quantity. ActiveCampaign offers over 1,000 integration options so you can connect with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And the Zapier integration opens up connection to hundreds of additional tools. The Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight on the platform. MailerLite also connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, Zapier, and Stripe, just like ActiveCampaign. However, compared to ActiveCampaign, the integration options might feel a little bit limited if you need advanced CRM features. MailerLite takes the lead in built-in monetization. ActiveCampaign doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletter directly. However, their strong CRM features and sales pipeline management make it the best for service-based businesses and complex sales processes. MailerLite lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connection with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, which not many other competitors offer, and is another great way to make money here. Both platforms have excellent deliverability rates. ActiveCampaign has a 93.4% score, which is the highest score from testing, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in the spam folder. MailerLite also has an impressive 92.7% score, which is up there with the very best, so you can't go wrong with either of these options. ActiveCampaign offers much more comprehensive reporting. ActiveCampaign allows reporting on pretty much everything: opens, page visits, geo-tracking, and more. E-commerce reports are also available on certain plans. And another great feature is the bot sense, which filters out bot-powered clicks and opens from your reporting to give you a more accurate picture. However, this is only available for pro and enterprise users. MailerLite's reports are more basic. If you need advanced features like custom reports and heat maps, you may be disappointed. However, you can connect Google Analytics and see location-based information, which helps fill some gaps. ActiveCampaign wins features with a much more superior automation and enterprise-level functions. While MailerLite excels at built-in monetization with 0% fees and better landing page tools, ActiveCampaign's unmatched automation with 100+ triggers and actions, more integrations, advanced CRM features, and comprehensive reporting with BotSense filter make it the clear winner for businesses needing sophisticated marketing automation. Customer support. ActiveCampaign offers superior migration support. They have the most complete migration package available. Even on their entry-level plan, you can migrate key elements like contacts, forms, landing pages, automations, and templates. The personalized report with direct account manager communication makes a big difference. MailerLite doesn't offer hands-on migration support, positioning itself as a self-serve platform. However, they do provide importing tools to make migrating contacts easier, including specific tools for popular platforms like MailChimp. Both platforms have mixed reviews, but MailerLite performs better overall. ActiveCampaign has a 2.9 rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot. The main complaints are about hidden billing problems, slow and buggy software, and constant price increases. Many users feel trapped by confusing cancellation rules. MailerLite has a solid 4.4 rating with over 3,000 reviews, which is very good overall. The main complaint is their strict account usage policy, They'll freeze accounts if they detect suspicious activity. However, if you have legitimate products and aren't doing anything questionable, you don't have anything to worry about and you should be fine. ActiveCampaign provides more comprehensive support resources. ActiveCampaign support is fast and friendly across all channels. Their knowledge base is really in-depth and easy to search. They also have video tutorials and webinars. Live chat is available on all plans, but only Monday to Friday for 20 hours and Sunday for 5 hours. Phone support is not available. MailerLite's free plan includes 24/7 email support for the first 14 days. After that, you'll need to upgrade for continued support. The growing business plan includes 24/7 email support, while the advanced plan adds 24/7 live chat support. Both emails and live chat support are fast and friendly, often with the same agents responding to your requests. ActiveCampaign wins customer support with superior migration assistance and more comprehensive resources. Despite MailerLite having better Trustpilot rating, ActiveCampaign provides much more comprehensive migration support on all plans, personalized account manager assistance, and more extensive training resources, including video tutorials and webinars that help businesses get the most out of their advanced features. Pricing. This is where the difference becomes dramatic. ActiveCampaign offers a free trial, but no permanent free plan. Their starter plan begins at $79 per month for 5,000 contacts, but it's pretty limited in features. You'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan at $205 a month to start utilizing all the extra features ActiveCampaign is known for. MailerLite, on the other hand, offers a free forever plan for up to 500 subscribers with 12,000 emails per month, which is much more generous than many competitors. The growing business plan starts at just $39 per month for 5,000 subscribers, and the advanced plan only jumps to $50. Both include unlimited emails and landing pages, plus access to over 100 modern-looking templates. MailerLite dominates pricing with dramatically better value across all tiers. The pricing difference is huge for 5,000 subscribers. You'll pay $39 per month with MailerLite versus $79 per month for ActiveCampaign. That's over 2 times cheaper. MailerLite only counts active subscribers and provides unlimited emails, landing pages, and solid features at much lower prices. Even when you upgrade to the more expensive plan, MailerLite stays cheaper than most email marketing tools on the market. I also have a special discount to save you money on both of these tools, so check out the link in the description here. This is one of the toughest comparisons because both platforms excel in different areas. They both also won 2 categories each, so I would recommend ActiveCampaign if you need advanced features on marketing automations and reporting and you have the budget for it. But if you want great general email marketing features without the complexity and high costs, for 90% of small businesses and creators, MailerLite provides everything you need at a fraction of the cost. So now that you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign or MailerLite, I recommend watching this full ActiveCampaign tutorial or MailerLite tutorial next.